The African continent could become the most profitable region in the world for foreign direct investment, with a rate of return of 14% compared to a world average of 7.1%. This is according to ECA and Active Finance. In this week's episode, we take a look at investment deals between African countries and international nations. Welcome to this week's Africa Investment News. My name is Diana Ambale. Startups in Francophone Africa are on the rise. African startups continue to shatter fundraising records, but those operating in English-speaking countries attract the majority of investments inflows. Although there have been encouraging developments in the Francophone space, startups on the continent raised $4.8 billion in total funding in 2022, according to a report by Africa, The Big Deal. Nigeria led the pack with more than 100 startups, raising a combined $1.2 billion, including two $100 million mega deals, followed by Kenya with $1.1 billion, Egypt at $820 million, and South Africa at $550 million. European Investment Bank and Afrexim Bank launched a €200 million health investment initiative. The two banks have joined forces to enhance healthcare and pharmaceutical investments across sub-Saharan Africa and strengthen health resilience on the continent. The new €200 million health investment initiative was launched on 7 March 2023 by the EIB Vice President Thomas Ostros and Afrexim Bank Executive Vice President Dennis Denya at the 5th United Nations Conference on Least Developed Countries. Ghana wants investors to take advantage of its $2.4 billion circular economy. Ghana's government is wooing investors and industries to see the $2.4 billion financing need to transition Ghana from a linear to a circular economy as a huge investing and business opportunity. This is because the circular economy has enormous untapped opportunities which, when capitalized, will create sustainable employment, especially for the youth, and support climate change mitigation while building Ghana as a green economy. Mauritius receives 300 million Japanese yen for a new coastal surveillance radar system. The government of Japan provided an additional grant of 300 million Japanese yen to Mauritius under the Japan's Grant Aid Economic and Social Development Program to implement the new coastal surveillance radar system project. In a statement, Minister Padayachi said the additional grant will bring the existing grant to a total of 1.5 billion Japanese yen as regards the procurement of the new coastal surveillance radar system. For his part, Ambassador Kawaguchi said that the additional grant will enable Mauritius to enhance its maritime security and safety. Malawi receives 20,000 metric tons of fertilizer from Russia. The Russian government has invested 20,000 metric tons of fertilizer to Malawi, which is part of the Russian Federation commitment made in 2022 to help least developed countries with agri-products and agricultural expertise to boost food security. Africa is rich in natural resources, has an emerging middle class, and is benefiting from the rapid growth of digital technologies. These are just some of the benefits of investing in Africa. That's it for today. Don't forget to like our videos, and for more of Africa's investment news, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification bell.